Is your money doing more sitting in Raiz than it is in your wallet? Perhaps your financial goals have shifted, or maybe you're just looking for a different investment platform. Whatever your reason, if you're wondering, how do I cancel my Raiz account, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the surprisingly straightforward process of closing your Raiz account, ensuring a smooth exit and helping you take control of your investments. You might have started with Raiz to dip your toes into investing, enjoying its micro-investing approach and automated roundups. It's a fantastic tool for beginners, encouraging consistent saving and investment. However, as your financial literacy grows or your circumstances change, you might find yourself needing a platform that better suits your evolving needs. Maybe you're consolidating accounts, or you've decided to self-manage your investments more directly. The good news is, Raiz understands that financial journeys are dynamic, and they've made the cancellation process relatively simple. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon a few things you should consider. First, are you sure you want to completely close your account, or would a temporary pause suffice? Raiz allows you to adjust your recurring investments or pause them altogether without fully closing your account. This can be a good option if you anticipate re-engaging with the platform in the future. Second, what about the money currently in your account? When you close your Raiz account, your investments will be sold, and the proceeds will be transferred back to your linked bank account. Be mindful of any potential tax implications arising from the sale of your investments, especially if you've made significant gains. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor if you have any doubts. Now, let's get down to business. The process of canceling your Raiz account is primarily done through the app itself. You won't need to make any phone calls or send lengthy emails, which is a huge plus. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. First, log into your Raiz account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Profile or Settings section. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a person or a gear. Within this section, you'll need to scroll down and look for an option related to account or account management. Here's where it can vary slightly depending on updates to the Raiz app, but generally, you'll find an option like Close Account or Deactivate Account. Click on this option. Raiz will then likely prompt you with a series of questions or prompts. They might ask for your reason for leaving, which helps them understand user feedback and improve their service. You don't have to write a novel, a simple changing investment strategy or no longer using will suffice. The app will also clearly display the current value of your investments and confirm that these will be sold. It's crucial to review this information carefully before proceeding. Raiz will then ask you to confirm your decision, often requiring you to type confirm or press a final button. Once you've done this, the process is initiated. Raiz will then proceed to sell your investments, and the funds will be transferred to your linked bank account within a few business days. You will typically receive notifications within the app and via email confirming each step of this process. It's important to remember that once your account is closed, you won't be able to access your past statements or investment history through the app. So, if you need these for tax purposes or your own records, make sure to download them before you initiate the closure. You can usually find these under the Statements or Documents section of your profile. And that's it. A few taps and confirmations, and your Raiz account will be on its way to being closed. While it might feel like a big decision, the process itself is designed to be user-friendly, putting you in control. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.